in this video, I'll show you how to add the bokeh effect to any video without the need for an expensive camera or hard-to-use editing software. Instead, we'll be using a one-click video effect from the online video editor VEED. I popped a link in the description which will take you straight to the website. So, what is the bokeh effect? Bokeh is the Japanese word for blur, but bokeh specifically refers to the type of blur created, and more often than not, the blur of light in the background whilst the subject is in focus. This effect is perfect for vloggers and content creators who want an aesthetic background, or for professional talking head videos, as they allow the viewer to really focus in on the speaker. Now, it can take some time to perfect this effect with a camera, but thankfully we can use video effects in the edit to do all the work for us. So firstly, we need to upload our video to VEED, and you can do so by clicking on the upload a file button and finding the video clip you wish to use. To add the bokeh effect, head over to the sidebar on the left and click the filter button and then click effects. Scroll down until you see the bokeh blur video effect. One click later and the bokeh blur will be added to the outer part of your video, but keep the center in focus, which can help draw the viewer's attention to the subject of your video. The bokeh blur effect can be great if there is something in the background of your video, such as the plug in my video, that you don't want people to see. When I drag the slider down and back up again, you can see the difference this effect makes. VEED also offers another one-click bokeh video effect, which I'll demonstrate now. Let me just clear this effect by pressing the delete button in the corner and then scroll down the window a bit further until you see the bokeh effect. Click that and VEED will add the classic bokeh light effect to your video. Now, you may notice that this bokeh light effect covers the subject in your video. Well, to take your video one step further and to get around this, you can copy and paste the video into the timeline and drag one clip above the other. Select the top clip, press the mute button and then scroll down. Under Magic Tools, click Remove Background. Once VEED has removed the background, remove the bokeh effect from the top video and you can now see that the bokeh blurred lights are behind me. To export your video with the bokeh effect, click on the Done button in the top right corner and click Export Video. Once VEED has rendered it out, click Download and download as MP4. So now you know how to add a bokeh video effect to your video. But did you realize that the background removal tool is actually powered by AI? Learn how VEED's other AI tools can help save you time editing and enhance your content by watching this video here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.